I'm off my ass every day by the bag, nigga. And I ain't got no time to play, I'm about my cash, nigga. This ain't no action figure, but if I am, my shit so simple. This for my trapping niggas, I gotta see them hills up in Beverly. A big dog, no kitty litter, check my pedigree. What you ain't trying to get these in, that's what you telling me about my chips, I caught a felony. Can't do too much losing, M.O.B.L. got a toe still, cause they do too much shooting. This ain't no dream like Freddy Krueger. I can't stop, stuck on go, I need some more bank rolls with a high credit score. I gotta get it and go, I go post about that mail. Time got a big mouth, you know time gon' tell a hater go to hell. And some gasoline drops, I need some basketball shorts for all the times that I balled. My uncle in the wheelchair, he lost both his legs. But I bet if you see him, you can tell he bout his bread. Go ahead. I had to do some losing, just to do some winning. I hustle in my pennies for hundreds after a Bentley. If you come and be by money, can't have you fucking up business. Gotta want it how I want it, you know Jehovah my witness.